Hello guys, hello my good people. How are you doing? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are. My name is Jacqueline. Welcome to my channel. And please, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and join the clan. Yeah, so let's do some chores today. I just want to do a little bit organizations before I go to work. Right now, I'm here doing some dishes, like some drying up of the dishes. And today it's Tuesday. I have a busy day ahead, but I'll take you along with me. Guys, thanks for the support that you've been showing me. I really appreciate. Continue watching more of my content, please, and I will be with you guys. So today I'll just do this and then I'll go organize a little bit of Olivia's clothes. They are a mess in her room. I need to organize a little bit. Okay. As you can hear, my voice is still not that okay yet, but I'm getting there. Yeah, the doctor said it might take a little while, but I'm glad I'm doing okay. And the weather is getting good now. It's not that cold. So let's do the organization. I start from the kitchen, then I'll go to Olivia's place and do some cleaning. I'm having a busy day. And that's done for two. No. This is where I'm coming to do the job now. There's a lot of work to be done over here. Lots of work to be done. Yeah, as you can see, the closet is a mess. A mess. But I'll organize it with you guys. As you can see, I'll organize this closet. I have a lot to do. A lot. I think I'll start with this one over here. Too much. Jeez. Every time I organize this closet, she comes again and disarranges everything. Huh? But what can we do? Anyway. And I'm always cold, so trust me, Olivia has the most sweaters here and she don't like them. But in my end, because I think it's cold, I'm always buying sweaters for her. And trust me, she don't like no sweaters. Olivia, please, I don't like distraction. Can you go back and do whatever you're doing? Thank you. Thank you. When I tell you to come on my video, you don't want. But when I'm doing, you're coming to distract. No, please. No, go watch whatever you're watching or do whatever you're doing. I'm busy now organizing your closet. Thank you, Mama. Yeah. I'm trying to... This was a Halloween dress. You know what one was this for? I don't know. No, remember. I'm not a good organizer, but I'll try. She mixed everything. Everything is everywhere. I don't know why kids here, they like to remove their clothes and leave them on the floor or just throw them anyhow. I don't know. Even my friends, they always say that those their kids do too. Weird. Anyway. Let's do this organization. Everything is everywhere. Jeez. Those are the school clothes. These are the sweaters and some dresses. And it's winter here, so some clothes we put them in the boxes and then we remove when the season changes, because we have 3 seasons. Is it 3 or 2? We have winter, summer, spring and fall. So it's like okay, I'm almost done with the sweaters. Then I organize the pants. It's a lot. I hope she won't disorganize them again. My voice is still not good. Oh. Oops, it's too much sweaters over here. Okay, now I come to the pants. Jeez. I'm not going to clothes organizer though. Oh jeez. Too much clothes. She just puts on clothes and then she removes and jeez. Anyway, we have to stop complaining. And being grateful. These clothes, even she never wears some of them. Go to the comments and tell me how many times you organize your child's clothes a week. Me, it's like all the time. I have to keep on arranging them. Which is really kind of annoying. Because now it's spring and then summertime. It's almost, oh yeah, it's spring. I think it's spring already. And then summertime now I have to put all the winter clothes away. And leave the summer clothes for her. Otherwise she'll pick the other ones and throw the rest everywhere. Sometimes I need to organize like the long sleeves separate, the short sleeves separate. Oh jeez. Jeez. Why? Everything is everywhere. It's like I'm almost. It doesn't take that much time, but trust me, it's tiring. Some of them even they are kept back here dirty. Seriously. I think some even are getting smaller now. She is growing taller. I have to reset them again now and sort the ones which I have to give away. And know what should be left here. Okay. And now into the jeans. I think these are getting smaller. Okay, Mama. Oh, she loves this dress. This is a cute dress. La 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 la. Okay, now that's a little bit organized for now. Before it comes back again and look like tornado. And I need to clean this mirror, it's dirty. Okay, so let's see what else are we gonna do now. Okay. Hi, Olivia.
Hi.
How are you doing?
Good.
What are you up to?
I'm playing Roblox.
Roblox. Every day Roblox, please. Can you do something different? No?
No.
Okay. Tell my people hi and bye. And tell them thanks for watching.
Hi.
To look at them.
Hi. Bye. And thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. I love Olivia. Bye.
Bye.